In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft PowerPoint you have. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just curious about what features are available to you, knowing the version of PowerPoint you're working with can be really helpful. Not all features are available in every version, so identifying yours ensures you're making the most of the tools at your disposal. Let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you've used PowerPoint recently, it might be right there on your taskbar or desktop. If not, you can easily find it by searching your programs list through the Start menu if you're on Windows or using Spotlight Search on a Mac. Once PowerPoint is open, open any presentation, it doesn't matter which one, as long as you're in the main interface of the application. Now direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see various tabs like Home, Insert, Design and so forth. You'll want to click on the one labelled File. Clicking on this tab will open up a menu on the left hand side of your screen. It's in a different colour shade and allows you to navigate different PowerPoint functionalities. Next, from this list, find the option labelled Account. Clicking on Account will bring up a new screen that provides you with several pieces of information about PowerPoint and your Office suite in general. This is where you can manage your subscription, change your theme, and of course, see your version number. You'll notice an option labelled About PowerPoint on this account screen. Click on this and a dialog box will pop up. In this dialog, you'll see a lot of information about your PowerPoint program, but the most pertinent information for our purposes is the version number. It will be clearly indicated, usually alongside additional details like the version number and build number. And that's it, you've now successfully found out which version of Microsoft PowerPoint you're working with. It's really that straightforward once you know where to look. This information is crucial for ensuring compatibility if you're sharing files with others, and it helps you take full advantage of any updates and features specific to your version. If your search reveals you have an older or unsupported version of PowerPoint, you might want to look into updating it to get the most out of the software with all the newest features and security improvements. I hope that helps you understand your PowerPoint better. Feel free to engage with this channel if you have questions or need further assistance. Thank you for watching and have a great day exploring PowerPoint.